Hey folks, thanks for watching. So Choco and I, we're busy today. She is baking all kinds of stuff and I am smoking some baby back ribs. But what I want to show you real quick, I actually proved the concept of ripening kiwis with apples. So we got some apples and these are some smaller kiwis that I picked the other day. These are a little bit on the small side, but I decided the other day to go ahead and try it to see if the kiwi would ripen in the apples with the apples in a bag. I let them sit there for about a week, and sure enough, I ate one this morning and it was actually not bad. So what I'm going to do right now is go pick some more kiwis. I'm also going to go get some persimmons and try to air dry them, but I'm not sure if we got the right type, so let's go find out. But while we're at it, yeah, excuse the mess, but so again, Choco's been over there baking quite a bit, and I'm over on this side preparing the baby back ribs and everything. The smoker is outside, and yeah, really nice being able to work together in the kitchen at the same time. And there are a bunch of stinky bugs here in Japan. I'm not sure if it's this year that it's extremely bad or it's normally like this. Barely opened the windows and they sneak in. So here we are smoking away. Yeah, we got a Traeger. Still learning. Right now I'm doing the baby back ribs, the 3-2-1 method. Basically they fall off the bones because it gets so tender. Yeah, and today we went and got some wood. Got some more wood here. And all these persimmons, they got too ripe. And I waited too long because we're on vacation. I'm gonna go ahead and pluck a couple more of these bigger kiwi, and then I need to start taking some and giving them away. Yeah, like I said, I learned that if I don't have my sleeves down, the gloves on, I'm done, and then I get all bit up. Hope there's no snakes around here. Let's see. Some of these bigger ones. Get some of those persimmons. I think those are the ones that are not good. When I mean not good, they're, I guess, sour, bitter. But those are the ones that you air dry. You peel and then you air dry. And I've never done it before. I wanted to do it this week, but oh, not smart. I walk on my flip-flops. Eventually I'm gonna put little steps. Looks like someone before had that in mind right here. Not very good. Chestnut season is over. You see all these leftover, I guess the shell. Basically I just come out here with my foot, with boots on, and so I kind of smash the chestnut out. All right, this bad boy is full. Look at that. Whew. And again, I don't know if these are good ones or not, but let's find out. We'll see. Yeah. Folks, definitely sour. Ooh. Oh, that was kind of disgusting. Need to leave a little stem so that you hang them from a string. And actually at the store, they sell them. So I'm gonna probably buy some tomorrow. Let's see. I don't know how many I should do. Oh, folks, that was pretty disgusting. But the sweet ones, they taste just like mangoes. Since we moved to Japan, this time of the year, you see them hanging outside. There's a whole lot of persimmons. And last year, this tree was covered with kuzu. Let's start with this for now. Probably tomorrow I'm gonna go to the store and probably buy the special little hook thingies. Ah, konnichiwa. 柿食べますか？
そうですね。
いっぱいあるです。
干し柿にしたら美味しいですよ。皮を剥いて。
はい。これ、初めて。だから
すごいいい柿。
いい、あ、
ねえねえ、ホームス
食べる？
食べたい。
いいよ、もらっていつでも。
いいんですか？
はい。これいる？
いいですか？も
はい、
らっても
いいですよ。
何個ぐらいもらっていいですか？
結構いっぱいあるから全然大丈夫。遊びたい。孫娘も東京に帰りました。ごめんね。
今はね、東京だって10個ぐらいもらってもいい
いい
ですか？
ですよ。
キウイだ。
キウイも、リンゴと、カバンに入れて、
キウイは少ないんでしょ。ね。
キウイがいっぱいある。
いっぱいできてる。
はい。
もらってもいい？
もらってよね。でもまだちょっと硬い。カバンに入れて、リンゴと、
一緒に。
柔らかくなる。
すみません。
いえいえ。
嬉しい。すごくこれいい柿ですよ。日本だったら一つに100円以上で。
本当に？
わあ、
すごい。
しばらくおられなかったでしょ？
はい、メキシコに来ました。
あ、そうなんですか。
はい。ちょっと遠い。飛行機で20時間。
お仕事で？
旅行はお母さんがメキシコに住んでいます。はい。
日本語がお上手。
いえ、全然。
ありがとうございます。
はい、
ぜひまたエミリアちゃんとか。
はい、クリスマスに遊びに行く。
クリスマスになったらね。これは臭い虫です。
はい、いっぱいいるね。
こうやってペットボトルで作ったらもう出られない。
どうやって捕まる？こうや
ってここに虫がついて、こうやったらもう。
Hi, folks. Yeah, I didn't want to record her because I didn't want to embarrass her, but so she's my neighbor, and we have talked several times, and she met Emilia Maya. Actually, she's the one. If you have been watching the videos, she opened the door and they came in. Emilia Maya, my granddaughters ran to her, and we were talking about those stinky bugs, and I guess this year they're worse than usual. And she was showing me you cut a pet bottle, a water bottle, cut off the top, and then flip the cut off part, then tape it, and then it kind of creates a little trap. So actually, let's go ahead and try that right now. And so I gave her most of my kiwi and kuri. So now let's go back down there and get some more. Let's see, I can always come and get some more persimmons, but I'm going to go ahead and grab a couple more kiwi. Again, because I gave some away. That's okay, that's what it's all about. For me, living here in the countryside, sharing with really nice people. And she was asking me if I went out of town. I was saying, yeah, we went to Mexico. And I think really should be picking these in a little bit later, December. So this was definitely a little bit different from what I was normally planning on doing, but yeah, that was fun. All right, folks, this is what living in the countryside of Japan is all about to me. You know, beautiful home, nice people. I get to do hobbies such as working on the garage. I'm cleaning it out right now little by little because we're expecting some stuff back from the States. I know it doesn't seem like it, but we're getting there. Also working on the Japanese garden. Also trying to smoke some ribs at the same time. All kinds of stuff. If you like what you see, please hit like, subscribe, share. Follow us along as we continue living here in the beautiful countryside of Miwa, Japan. Thanks a lot. Bye.